The future of this company would be extremely dangerous without a camera platform, a security platform. I wouldn't want to begin to think about operating the way we used to. What I bought from Loffler was a platform that allowed me to see my entire operation very easily. From my home, from my office, or from my iPhone. I can basically see the entire company anytime I want, 24/7. Hermel Company was founded in 1935 as a candy distributor, which involved my grandpa and my great-grandpa going around the countryside. It's evolved over the past 75 plus years. We provide vending services to plants and factories in Minnesota and Iowa. We also provide food service distribution, office coffee services, and ATM cash machines. So over the course of 40 or 50 years, we had done these acquisitions, and all the divisions had different systems, whether it was camera systems, copy machines. Everything was based on the local provider. The service, return phone calls were not prompt. An app would go down. It just became very frustrated with how it was all put together. I wanted something new that was all tied together. I wanted a network of cameras that I could watch from one location or multiple locations, but have the entire operation under one system. And that's really what Loffler brought to me. They first did a site survey. I walked them through the facility, showed them all the cameras that we had and the points that I wanted covered. 2 weeks later, they showed me different models, price points, what I could expect. And that was really important to me, to partner with someone that knew their product and knew what was available in the industry. The install process was amazing. Because it was a multi-branch installation, we started with the one that was closest to me so I could see the process and interact with the technicians. I had the cell phone number of the technician. He would check in with me every morning in my office. It was a great process. The interaction of the install technicians and myself was really what gave me assurance and confidence that I had picked the right company. The Loffler camera system solved basically two problems. The first one was I wasn't able to see what was happening after hours at all of my locations. It fixed that on day one. But we have in excess of 40 cameras that are located throughout the home office. At each location, there's another 10 cameras. Each manager at each location is able to access his cameras via his mobile device or his desktop computer. And that was important mainly to see employee start times and things like that. I'm seeing all kinds of labor-saving concepts, ideas. The second thing it did is it put everything under one umbrella. Took away all the cumbersome challenges of operating 4 to 5 different network camera systems. I know that no matter how far I find a business to buy or how far we operate our existing business, the cameras let me do it with full accountability, with a full view of the operation and what's happening. When you have cameras like this in your system, you can see everything. It gives you peace of mind. You can really run a company from afar with this type of platform.